Welcome to The Systems Thinker, a video series to help you know the whole, focus on the constraint, and reach your goal. An important issue has crossed your desk and you need to have a conversation with a colleague. The Latin root of the word conversation implies a turning toward, and that's what you're about to do. You deliberate and weigh out your options. You know that what you have to say is confrontational, and you have a fundamental choice to make. Are you going to suspend judgment, exercise forbearance, and seek first to understand before being understood? Or are you going to defend your position? And if you choose to defend your position, will you be coming at it productively using skillful conversation? Or are you going to use the occasion to beat down your colleague in a fiery debate? What if you paused for a moment to reflect? Take the advice of Viktor Frankl to live as if you were living already for the second time, and as if you had acted the first time as wrongly as you're about to act now. What if you were to step into the shoes of your colleague and see and feel the situation from their point of view before layering your prejudices into the conversation? Everything that we have accomplished as a species, we have achieved because we humans have a unique ability to hold conversations which allow us to exchange meaning through dialogue. But every time we make that turn and disobey the golden rule to do for others what we would like done for us, we fall short of our potential, often with disastrous consequences. Make the first turn in your conversations towards suspension of judgment, and the relations you develop will invariably be more generative. That's your tip for better ways to do better work and redefine what's possible.